Did you know Google Sheets had secretly launched an amazing new update called Prebuilt Tables recently? In this video, we will explore how you can use these pre-built tables to get things done. These smart tables are ready to use and has built-in connection to dynamic content like Google Contacts, Google Drive files, Google Maps, etc. It also comes with a huge library of pre-built, ready-to-use tables for use cases like event planning, travel planner, team planners, recruitment, marketing, and the list just goes on. Let's explore some of these next. First on the docket is a content tracker. The first column is the content title, which describes the topic or video being created. Next is a type column featuring the type of content that can be selected using custom tags. The task owner field is dynamic in nature and can fetch contacts directly from your Google Contacts. Similarly, the dates and files are dynamic as well. Notably, the files can be fetched with a single click from your Google Drive files. Our next example is a vacation planner. Similarly, this too has a nice template in place ready to use and also has several dynamic fields. I love how you can directly input locations and fetch destinations with ease as Google flexes their built-in Google Maps integration here. It's nice to see their ecosystem getting closely interconnected, with one product being able to easily fetch content from their other products under the same account. Next example on our list is a recruitment planner. Here the template again seamlessly brings in Google Contacts, candidate resumes from Google Drive, and also a rating plugin for you to score the candidates, sort them, and so on. Next on our list is an inventory planner for you e-commerce business or store owners. It's all built in and ready to use. On the right-hand side, you can see a decent collection of growing template options that can be used out of the box and directly customized for further use. We hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. Let us know if these pre-built tables will be a game changer for Google Sheets.